What's up, guys? Oh my god, I feel like I have not filmed in forever. I mean, I technically haven't. Woo! My life has just been, it's been good, no complaints. Well, I could complain, but what's the point? My life has definitely been really busy lately. So I have been meaning to film a video literally for weeks. The video that I just uploaded, my fashion haul, which is down below, I think I filmed that a month ago, close to a month ago. So I have not been in front of a camera, I have not filmed, I have not done anything since then. So I'm trying my best, y'all. I'm trying my best to get back on a schedule. It's a little bit harder, you know, being a mom, but I'm gonna try my best to get back on the schedule. But I'm not even like spend a bunch of minutes talking about where I been, why I ain't film. We finna get a video popping, and the video, I was like, what can I film? What can I film? And I was like, bam! The Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Like, I know you guys have, okay, now let's try not to rip the packaging tip. Okay. I know you guys have seen like dozens and dozens, if not maybe a few hundred videos on this lovely palette right here. But yes, this is the Jackie Aina palette. Those are the colors. Now, truth be told, I ain't need no more makeup palettes. Like, I do not need any more makeup palettes, but you gotta support your girl. Like, there's no way I cannot support her for everything that she's done for black culture, just black women, women of color. Like, you have to, even if you got 1,000 palettes, you have to get this. So I was like, let me go ahead and film a video using this palette. So that is exactly what we are about to do. So let's go. So I don't really know what look I want to do. Every video that I've seen, everybody has been using like the purples, and I really don't want to do that because I feel like it's enough of those out there already. So I'm gonna try to do something a little different. I'm gonna be using a bunch of new products that I have, starting with the Louise bases. They had a sale recently where you can get 3. So I got the shade Rumor 1, 3, and 4. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use 1 and just prime my eyes with that. So we're just gonna dive right in again. I don't even know what colors I'm about to do, but I am going to go in with the first shade. I think I'm gonna go in with Pinker, which is this color right here. So I'm gonna use that in the crease of my eye. Oh, honey. Oh. Okay, I just tapped it one time, yo. Okay, I don't want to use that brush. I don't like that. I just tapped this one time, and y'all see that? That's bomb already, just with the color payoff. Yeah, I like this brush, which is, I don't even know because it's not on the handle. It's a blending brush, a fluffy blending brush. It's just, I can concentrate the color better. Like the other one, I feel like it just blew it out. Using the same brush, I'm gonna go in with Supreme, which is this pink color right here. And I'm just gonna apply that right to the outer part of where I applied Pinker. I'm gonna go, this is probably gonna be such a quick look, guys. I'm gonna go in with Wiggalese. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Ooh. I'm just gonna apply that all over the lid. Now I'm going to take my MAC 224 brush. I want to take a little bit of Big Wig and Credit. So this is Big Wig. I'm going to take Big Wig and Credit, which is the darker brown. I'm going to put that right in the transition. Alright, so I just put on some lashes, and baby, them lashes was not hitting. So I took them off and I'm about to put on another pair. The lashes I had put on were like some that I picked up from the beauty supply store, and they literally look like my eyes. I was about to take flight. I was about to take flight in the air, so no. So right now I am using the Embrolysse Embrolysse Hydra-Mat moisturizer. That is what I'm using on my face right now, just to moisturize. Really. Just to moisturize my face. Okay, can y'all turn y'all car alarm off, please? Okay, so I use the Embrolysse Matte Fusion Moisturizer, and I'm going in with the Milk Hydrogel Primer. I love this primer. Like, I do a rub and a pat. A rub and a pat, just to make sure that I'm getting it in my skin, and I want it to like soak and absorb. So I'm doing all of this while my lashes are sitting here with glue. I want them to get nice and tacky, so that makes it easier to apply. Whew. All right, I'm gonna try to put my lashes on camera. Y'all already know how that goes with me. For foundation, I'm going in with the Toofaced Born This Way, and I am in the color Chai. Oh my god, I hate when it's like a little piece of glue. I'm just gonna work with it. Y'all look a little foggy, but I need to let that glue just do what it's about to do. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Chai. Get that again. Okay, wait. And I'm going in with the Toofaced concealer in Mocha. I'm going to apply just a little bit more of the foundation. Yeah, we got to cover up that mustache. And we all know, and if we don't, we should know by now, if you let your concealer sit for a little bit, just let it dry down, it will definitely give you better coverage, easier to blend, but I ain't got that type of time. So we're just gonna go right in with our blender. This is a Real Technique. And then I'm going to go in with a Real Techniques, I don't even know, this is the buffing brush. I'm gonna buff out around the parameter where I applied that concealer. Just so that, I don't know, it blends, you know? I'll take the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. We're gonna press that in the skin, baby. With the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is in medium deep. I'm gonna use that to set the rest of my face. And I always just tap my brush in, and then there's gonna be excess that falls out. But I tap it in, and then I'm going to just press it into my skin. Like I said, I don't do any baking, so I'm just gonna use the brush, whatever is left on the brush, and I'm going to do like a sweep motion because I want it to blend in. Because I still want to be, you know, highlighted and whatever, but I don't want it to be like a stark highlight. See? I'm liking that. I'm gonna go in with that buffing brush that I just used to do the outer part to blend. I'm gonna go in my Anastasia palette. I'm just going to use that to do my contour. I like it because it's wide. I like the feel of the brush, and it gets, you know, the good part or the good area of my face. I'm trying to contour really good. Like, I go between this and my angled brush from e.l.f. But I've been like kind of liking this right now. And then we're gonna just do a little bit. And if we're using a Jackie Aina palette, we have to go in with her highlight as well. So this is her highlight artist couture. This is LaBronze. I'm gonna take, oh god, I'm gonna take LaBronze. Just don't buff that into our skin, babe. I wouldn't be me if I didn't go in with LaPeach just to add a little extra. You have to. Oh, there we go. There's never a such thing as too much. Too much highlight. Says who? I'm going to take a, this is a MAC brush. I just don't know which one it is. I'm gonna take a little bit of that LaPeach. Just a little. And I'm going to put that under my brow bone. And then because I'm extra, I'm gonna pop a little bit of that into my inner tear duct. It's gonna be simple. I'm gonna go on with chestnut. Is this chestnut? No, this is cork. I'm gonna go in with cork. And then I'm gonna go in with this dose of colors. Lick the Lip, this is in the color Stone. We're supposed to smoke out the bottom eye, so we're gonna go in with Credit, which is the dark brown. And then we're gonna clean that brush a little bit, and we're gonna take pinker and just put that right in the inner. See? We're gonna set our face. We're using the Fix Plus. This is in lavender. Baby. Ooh, damn, that smells. I mean, it is lavender, but it smells especially good right now. All right, guys, so this is the completed look. this is the look that I came up with using the Jackie Aina palette. My face is still a little glossy because I went a little overboard with the Fix Plus spray, but I was trying my best not to use the purples. Like, I was trying my best because every tutorial that I've seen, everybody did purple. You have to use Wiggalese, so I'm sorry, I had to use Wiggalese, like I had to. So this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys like this. If you want to see me do more looks using this palette, please go ahead and put that in the comment section below, because y'all know me, I'll buy a palette, use it one time, and then won't use it again for like 8 or 9 months. But I do want to go in and use it again because I definitely want to use Zam. Like, everything in me needs to use Zam and Shookington and Trust Issues are like 2 colors that I really need to use. So I'll probably use that in my next video. But yeah, this is the look that I came up with. And oh y'all, my head hurt. My braids are super tight. I just got them done 2 days ago, so this feels good. Oh, okay. But anyway, this is the look. This y'all gonna let me talk? Y'all gonna let me talk? But okay, that was real disrespectful. Okay, that's real disrespectful. Okay. All right, well, anyway, this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys like this. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please go ahead and share this video. Like, spread the love. Don't be selfish, don't be stingy, don't keep me to yourself. Don't do that. So I hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.